know, just roll out of bed like this and just woke up. Gorgeous. That kind of behavior is subject to happen at any given time now, because I'm like all done up, so I'm just, you know. Good God. Good morning, guys. I look so bad. We're about to run to Wawa, and I did not realize how crappy I look. I mean, yeah, let's go in the bathroom and try and do something to her hair. It's not that bad. It isn't that bad. It just looks so bad on the camera. So you can see the color in my hair a little bit more now, right? A little bit. I'm gonna, when we come back, I'm straightening it. I blew dry it straight last night. All right, let's. Here we go. Ooh, this feels like it's going bad. You just know when your ponytail slash butt is going south. You can feel it. This feels like I'm not gonna like it. This feels worse than what it looked like before. Ew. My edges just look atrocious. Come on. I'm not putting product on them because I'm straightening my hair. You can see the color a little bit more. I don't know. Alright, well, we're only going to Wawa today because I have extra time. I'm going to do my makeup. And I'm talking about full face makeup. Like, you haven't seen nothing yet. You haven't seen a thing yet. Like, unless you follow me on Instagram, you have not seen anything yet. So today we're going to be doing that. I'm going to straighten my hair and wear it down for the week. But I will be dyeing it again. I will be dyeing it again. So, yeah. Alright. Because, like, look at this. This isn't even, like, my ends. Like, my hair. Like, my roots, yeah. But my hair doesn't have, like, fucking color on it. Damn it! Alright, let's go. It's 35 degrees outside. The car has to defrost. I don't know why the hell I thought it was like warmer out here. Can you see my breath? Yo, it's fucking cold out here. Boys. Hi, my handsome boys. Hi, my love. guys. Oof. So I'm about to straighten my hair out. My cough has actually gotten a lot better, but I'm just really still congested all up in here. So, but other than that, I can't really complain. I know I have to get to the store and get curtains, new curtains that match. And I need to order my bed set, and I also wanted to go buy some additional pillows, just throw pillows for the bed, because I like the idea of like having a variety of different patterns. We'll be checking in soon. Bye guys. kind of see it. You can see it. But then you see that gray right there? Tisk. Can't have it all, evidently. Alright, let me just get started then. Guys, I'm going to do my makeup.
I have my phone to charge. No!
And I'm just going to be doing natural everyday makeup. Well, not everyday makeup because I don't do it every day, but when I used to do my makeup.
Dad, that's what the box is already. That's right now. Today. That's today. Not long time. Dad,
Alright.
you want to
As I do my makeup, I won't be going over any steps. I am in no way, shape, or form a cosmetologist or a makeup artist or anything like that. I just do my makeup in my own spare time for fun. Everything that I have learned about makeup has been from watching YouTube videos and from trial and error. But if you do happen to like this makeup look, leave a comment down below. And if you guys request a makeup tutorial, then I'll give you one. to release a portion of my creativity when I do my makeup. This is just another form of my art, an expression of me. No, I don't need makeup. Makeup needs me. I'm its artist. Okay, hi guys. As you can see, my makeup is done. Yeah, so, you know, just rolled out of bed like this and just woke up gorgeous. So yeah, anyway, that kind of behavior is subject to happen at any given time now, because I'm like all done up, so I'm just, you know. Anyway, oh goodness, I have to admit, holding this camera is actually very exhausting. This is like a very light yet heavy piece of equipment. So anyway, what do you guys think? Do you like my makeup? I'm still so congested, which is really annoying. This is a very slow stroll back to good health. I guess the older you get, the longer it does take for you to get better. That's what they keep telling me. So I'm in the mood for something bad. And since it is the weekend, I feel like it should be okay for me to do. It should be acceptable. I need some pizza. That will make me happy. So that's what we're gonna do. It feels so good to let that out. But tomorrow, we're back to eating healthy. It's my cheat day. Once a week. Alright, okay. I'm not gonna even say that. Oh, okay. I don't have cheat days. I don't know why I keep on sitting here lying to myself and lying to everybody. I don't have cheat days. I eat crap every day, but I eat a substantial amount, and the greater percentage of my intake is healthy. So I have bad shit in moderation, so I can have it. You know what I mean? And that's exactly why I eat healthy most of the time. So I can have bad crap. And it's really not too bad. I'm just really hard on myself. It isn't like I sit here and dip hot dogs in like butter and just eat them like that. Like, you know what I mean? Yeah, let's order some pizza. Now that this hairstyle has served its purpose, I'm about to like just put it right back into a ponytail. Joshua, can you hand me that hairbrush?
Not you.
You trying to be nice to me now? You trying to be really nice for me? You can hold this for me. Hold it right here. Don't drop it. I think what I could have done is I went a little too light around here. Thanks, hold it straight, just right there. That's great. Wait, move. No, that's too far. Right there, hold it right there. Hold it right there. No, stay up.
Can't I zoom it?
Can you? No, you can't zoom it. Leave it alone. That's not. Don't press that button. This is different than. No, don't press no buttons. This is different from the other camera, Jaden. Stop touching. Just.
It should was you. My time.
See, everybody's out to get me. You guys don't want to get me.
Oh yeah.
Don't press any buttons. Stop. It's an ant. It's just an ant. Just Jane, hold it up. It's just an ant.
I can't, Mommy.
It's just an
He's
ant.
going to bite.
Don't drop this camera. It's just an ant. Give it back. Just go. Shoot.
What's that?
There was a tiny little itty bitty ant was on the camera. You guys, he almost ended it for us. He almost dropped the camera. It was about to be over. Oh god, good morning guys. I used Flexi rods last night to roll up my hair. Some pieces are wedging out. Some of them survived, but I love Flexi rods to roll my hair up because the curls come out just so, oh, you gotta see. All right, just wait, you'll see how they come out. But yes, we're about to take this down. It's about to be amazing in here. It's amazing, and it's only about to be 8:30. All this amazingness at 8:30 a.m. Oh my god. So let's take this down. Ooh. I have not wrapped up my hair in rods in a long time actually, but you never forget what this magic is. You never forget. You don't forget curls like this. You don't forget that these little rods can give you this. I impress myself sometimes. I really do. Look at it. Look at it. Look at this curl. Oh my god. Look at this. I can't wait to pull these apart. Okay. This is beautiful. We have to style it though, because they're like fresh curls. So where are we putting the part at? Okay, so you know how I just said it was beautiful? The more that I'm looking at this now, I'm just like, this looks like it might be a mess. We can fix this though. We can fix this. Maybe. We can fix this. We can fix this. This looks like shit actually. Yo! And I don't remember it ever looking like this when I took it down. Maybe I shouldn't have separated the curls. This looks bad. This does not look good. This does not look good. Damn it! Oh my god, this sucks. What the fuck? You freaking turn around. I don't like it. It was so pretty yesterday. I don't like this shit. Well, that was very short-lived. That's not what I was expecting. God, yo. We can fix this. This can be fixed. We can fix this. Let me see. Let's see, maybe if I... That looks like I'm like a fucking kid. I god! This makes me look like a damn 14-year-old. The half up, half down method. Oh no, I can't. Wait, no, wait. Maybe I could pass for like 18 with this. If I do half up, half down, I could pass for about 18. That's not too bad. That's not too bad, right? That's not too bad. That's all right. Maybe I can. Maybe I can make this work. Okay. No, it's not gonna work. I can't leave it down. Not all down by itself. Wait. You know, we're about to go get the flat iron real quick. Maybe if I just... Alright. No, that didn't work either. Hang on. Okay. Trying to avoid using, you know, more heat on my hair. Alright. Okay. Alright. What did I do to my hair? What can I do with this? Okay, I got a hair tie. Let me see if I can, if I do like a high ponytail. Let's see about that. I'm not very happy with this at fucking all. I'm trying, like I'm really trying. Maybe if I put it in like a bun. So it's one of those days. Maybe it's all in my head. I know I'm my worst critic. Alrighty, is this what we're doing today? Is this what we're doing? This doesn't look bad. This looks alright. Scarf. No scarf. Scarf. No scarf. Let's go. We're going to work.